Should you buy Lululemon stock? Yes or no? No clickbait, no nothing. Let's get straight into it. I think Lululemon is not a good investment, and I'll tell you why. Okay, but first of all, before you cry, ooh, deep value this, is it a value trap? I don't care. I don't think so. It's not a value trap per se, but at the same time, I don't believe in the company. The fundamentals look good, I must admit. It is undervalued, or at least fair valued. I think it's slightly undervalued at the current situation. But, I don't believe in the sector as a whole, because clothing in general is quite hard to time. Why is that? Why do you need to time it? Because it's based on trends, okay? You have companies like Nike, Adidas, okay? That's how it's pronounced. That are cult classics that will never leave, but at the same time, the stock go up, down, up, down. So companies in the clothing sector, most of the time, they're not fundamentally bad, but at the same time, the growth can stagnate from one time to another. So I would also look at Lululemon only as a swing trade, not as a long-term investment. If we look at the numbers, free cash flow, great. They have so much money. Cost of goods returned, pretty low. Perfect. Gross profit high profit margins. It looks so good. I understand no debt or little debt to equity ratio around 0.3. It is great financial. So the big thing obviously that's lacking is the growth, because there's barely any EPS growth expected. At the same time, also revenue is not expected that high. And even if it was expected higher, you always have to think about these companies. Like I said, in general, do you personally believe Lululemon is going to sell a lot of clothing in the future? Then you have to look at the company. What type of company is that? Do they sell low budget or high priced clothing? They're in the higher section. So then you think to yourself, do I see people spending a lot of money in the near future, or do people seem to have less and less money? I personally think people have less and less money. And so I think that in general, people are also investing more, but consuming less. So I don't believe that much in the clothing sector. I don't believe that much in Lululemon. So I won't buy it. Like always, I'm just yapping. First of all, if you're new here, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, say something. I don't care. Voice your opinion. Complain about me. I don't care. My voice is a bit down. I'm sick. But at the same time, this is just my thoughts. I'm uploading more and more videos. Last video did quite good. Not a lot of comments. Just so comment something, buddy, okay? Anyway, by the way, if anyone likes to edit, I will always say that I need someone to edit nice videos. Otherwise, they will be boring like this. Just a gameplay in the background. Anyway, Lululemon, quick. No, I don't invest in it. I don't plan to invest in it. You have to do your own research, have your own thoughts. I explained you my thoughts and why I'm not going to buy it. Anyway, let's get into the yapping session. Yapping session about my life. F1 was just now. Piastri third, Norris second. So I'm still for Piastri. I think he's going to win. I'm glad he's Max, low-key. I don't like him that much, but he's low-key the GOAT. No more debating. I think he will prove himself in the next couple of years if he has another championship winning car. Anyway, other than that, still writing my bachelor thesis, still making money, multiple jobs, and also looking for an apartment. It's hard. My wife, I know we got this. Anyway, she's asleep right now. So if she's watching, she's obviously not asleep anymore, but hey. Anyway, good night. Let's everyone comment if you watch it this far. Good night with a kiss for my wife. Okay, that's kind of weird. Don't kiss my wife, but you know what I mean. Anyway, bye.